Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech AI. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to share the creator's design on Leonardo AI. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the Leonardo AI app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, go ahead, launch the app, then sign in. Now on the screen, you can see options like Home, Modal, Create, My Library, and more. If you stay on home, then you can see the generations from other creators. Well, go ahead, choose the generation that you want to share. Once you do that, you can see the share option on the bottom left corner. Tap on it. Once you do that, a menu will appear on the bottom of your screen. Go ahead and tap on copy from there, then share that image. And guys, that's it. That's how you share other creators' design on Leonardo. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.